Hey guys, I'm Nicole. Welcome to Pulse, UNSW's official student video series. We are back on campus, O Week is happening, and I'm happy to be here. So let's go have some fun. Now, O Week is all about the clubs and societies, but with over 300 to choose from, how are we meant to pick who to show in the video? Whoever gives me the best freebies, obviously. ARC is giving out free donuts. Wellness is giving out plants. Come join Med Review.
Enjoy.
Yay! I really want a phone wallet. That's really cool. If we're going to be back on campus more, we need to make sure that we do so safely. There's around 500 QR codes around campus to sign in and plenty of reminders to keep a safe social distance. But what is a safe social distance? In UNSW terms, it is 5 Bazza steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 really large Ibis wingspan. 20 coffee cups from Penny Lane and Coffee Cart because they gave us these coffees for free and we love them. Or approximately the body length of ex-Pulse host Sarah. O Week is not all about the fun. There's also some serious work to be done. There's presentations for all faculties, hands-on practical workshops, and of course, the very important job of scouting out the best route to get to class with a yellow shirt campus tour. But yeah, it's mostly about the fun. Help. Thanks for watching. Make sure you come check out O Week and have a great start to the term. See you later.